Okay, just a little announcement. We've had our first giveaway winner. Well done to Eric down in the Netherlands. He was the only person to comment on the roll call. So remember, it's very easy to enter. All you have to do is just comment on the weekend ride roll call, which is going to be the first comment pinned at the top. So you have to just write a name in there, write whatever you want in there, and you can be in the draw to win. And I've got one here. I am actually using one at the moment, so I don't know if you're going to see it very well on the video, but there it is. It's a throttle rocker, and it works pretty well. But you just have to be a little bit gentle with these ones. But yeah, there's the prize. Very easy to win one. All you have to do is write your comment underneath, and voila, you've entered into the draw. How easy is that? Can't go wrong. So well done, Eric, being our first winner. And also, before I go on, can I ask you to please subscribe? Just hit the little subscribe button down there, wherever you've got your subscribe button. Could be here or there, it depends where it is. There's a button somewhere that you hit. You'll be subscribed for the awesome quality content that you come to YouTube for at Vroom Vroom Zoom. Today I'm going to talk to you about this exhaust clamp. If you've seen my previous videos, you would have seen that I had to install this by putting little slits in here and clamping around that exhaust. So what I ended up doing is going to Supercheap and buying this clamp, okay, to tighten around it. You can see it's quite bulky. It has these two little bolts at the back that you tighten around, and it pulled onto there quite nicely. But you can see that it's not, like, it's on a slight angle. It's not very straight, and it does look a bit out of place. So I thought, okay, well, I'll buy one of these. And so here it is. I've already tried to put this on, and I can tell you that it did not work for this particular application, because it had exactly the same problem as this did, which was it starts to slide down, and because it's a ring and it's thicker, like you've got the thickness there, it starts from a higher position and keeps pushing down as you're tightening it. Also, this mechanism here did not work very well once it got really tight. It actually ended up starting to turn around inside that housing there. So for this particular situation did not work very well. Okay, so, but yeah, I'll put the link below anyway, because you could give it a try. Again, it might work for your particular situation, but has not worked for mine, so that's a shame. So the next thing for me is to have a think about what I'm going to do here. What I'm looking at doing is maybe getting a new one of these that has a different diameter here. This pipe here, I now know, is approximately 54 millimeters. All right, so 54 around there, which means, at the point where I cut it, which means that you need a 56 millimeter around here that you can possibly tighten around. All right, so something for me to think about, but at the moment I'm going to leave it like this. It's okay, it's not too bad, and it's a bit of a conversation starter as well. So that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and just a reminder, please subscribe, that'll be sweet. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to enter the draw.